Right guys, I finally got my hands on the third and final product of the GR Toyota range, the GR86, the one that's designed for pure driving pleasure. The GR86 is an evolution of the beloved GT86 and features a naturally aspirated 2.4 litre boxer engine at the front, producing 231 brake horsepower with the power being driven at the rear, and it weighs approximately 1.3 tonnes with a torsion limited slip differential and a manual gearbox. This car is going to be a lot of fun for only $30,000. As we are at Millbrook Proving Ground testing the GR range, the GR86 and I will be heading to the hill route for my very first time. Initial impressions, it's already quite analogue, just as Toyota described, but it's great fun. Having a manual, you know me, that's exactly what I want. The clutch is a little bit springy, but that's just something you get used to. But it's so playful. You do need to push it hard, but the car rewards you when you do so. You're not afraid to. And thanks to the phone holder for demonstrating the grip the car has, but the holder did not. The steering is direct, you know exactly where you're going to go. The handling, it's talking to you constantly, letting you know what it's about to do, and it's not going to put you in any tricky situations. The brakes are firm, fair. You really can't complain. And to be honest, I'm just enjoying it. I hate that bit. I just wasn't expecting it. You can feel the G-force sticking you in around the corners, especially on a route like this. As beautifully demonstrated by Tish. Make sure I'm not getting any flags. This is the first GR I've ever driven, and it is safe to say I'm not disappointed. Suspension wise, even on a little bit of the rough patches, I don't feel like I'm getting a broken back, but what do you expect for a sports car? Oh wow. It's just absolutely bloody fantastic. The engine is very, very punchy and exactly what you want it to be for the type of car it is. The GT86 has been a fantastic pedigree of an affordable Toyota sports car, and this is just taking it to the next level. So there we have it guys, the GR86. Short but sweet drive, but God was it fun. You all know the drill. To make my journey your journey, like, follow, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye.